Hi, we will learn how to change the chatting background of WhatsApp Messenger easily. So going to WhatsApp, then three dots and settings. Then chats, wallpaper, click change. Now you can choose solid colors. Can also check the preview. You can choose bright and also see the preview here. And same with the dark wallpapers. Finally, you can also set your photos from the gallery and use. But here I'm adding from the bright wallpapers and this will look like this. I'm gonna show it to you. And finally, it is looking like this. Again, anytime you can change it by the same procedure. And I hope you really found this video useful. And please subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.